fans, we're back again with another
video.
And
Sheldon.
Sheldon. Another experiment from the Slime Lab by
Yelp.
This time we're doing one called the noise pot.
Well, now that's gonna work out.
And all you need is a noise pot. Says noise pot with noise putty.
Is it putty?
Apparently, and your finger.
Well, I'm going first.
So it says what you need to do is remove the lid from your noise pot.
Already did.
Okay. Then stick your finger in and out of the slime quickly and then slowly to make some squelchy noises.
Should I try? Not that good.
No, let me try.
Wait.
Oh! Oh, that's... Let me try.
Okay. Pull it out a bit and then do it.
Oh, I can't do it. I've got the wrong fingers.
Oh! Oh! Wait, let me try. Let me try. Oh, sweet. Let me try. Wait.
Sounds like Science Dad.
He's the fart man.
Oh, that is just ridiculous. Do you want to know why it happens?
Why?
So when you put your fingers in, you're creating little pockets of air and it can't escape because it's trapped by the slime.
Trapped by the fart.
So it gets trapped until you push your finger in and then force it out. So it's getting larger and larger farty noises as you have bigger air because it's kind of squeezing out around the sides. So I need to have a go. So the bigger air pocket you have,
wow,
the better,
farty it is.
more farty it is.
Wait, give me a go.
So I'm not really sure there's much science going on.
Wait.
So what? I bet I know what you're going to score this one. So what you want to score the noise pot?
9.
9. I thought it would be a 10.
Can I tell you why it's a 9?
Yeah.
It's a 9 because it's not that interesting. I mean, it's very fun to play with, obviously, but it's not much of an experiment.
It's not really an experiment, no.
But apart from that, everything's great. I love this noise pot. I can play with it all day.
So more of a toy than an experiment.
Yeah.
And
give me a go.
so there we go. Well, I'm going to give it a 9 too. No, wait.
Please.
For the same reasons. It's not an experiment, but
It's a toy.
it is good fun.
It is good
especially
fun.
when you get a really good.
Go. Oh.
So there we go, science fans. I suspect we're going to be playing with this one for a while. If you like what we're doing, go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Sheldon and Ellie.
and don't forget to
Like
like
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Yeah.
See you next time, science fans. Bye.
Bye.